Hello, everyone. Welcome to the TheRationalInvestor.co. This is our short site tour. We'll try and make this less than 5 minutes long. Just want to introduce you to our new Bitcoin-related website and some of the services that are associated with it. Here is our site, TheRationalInvestor.co, basically located here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Our contact email, we have a simple Gmail address. You can also respond to us directly at admin@therationalinvestor.co. As well, we have a whole bunch of contact emails within the site. Just a quick introduction to what we do here. Basically, as you can see by the chart, we're actively trading Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. And my partner, Julian, has put together this WordPress site, and it basically serves our purpose nicely as both a portal to enter our sort of trading community that we have, and as an excellent way to keep abreast of what I'm looking at in the market at any given point in time. And also, we run a school for people who are very interested in learning how to trade professionally. We run a school. So I thought I'd just take a few minutes and introduce some of those ideas to you. As you can see, this is the home page. It's just a fairly generic page. You find recent posts that I've done here, an archive of previous posts, as well as my Twitter feed. I highly recommend that you follow me on Twitter here because I do a lot of tweeting throughout the day on different things that I'm seeing in the market, and it's a great way to sort of keep yourself abreast with what I'm doing. As well, the specific services that we run. Basically, we have a general site membership, which basically gives you access to updates on the blogs for Bitcoin, as well as ideas within the altcoin space that I'm basically publishing, as you can see from my posts here. My most recent trades, as you can see through November here, I've been trading Bitcoin. Haven't done a lot in the altcoin space lately, but if I do a trade, I'll be more than happy to bring it up to you. Email, Twitter notifications of ideas that I've published. As well, the general site membership gets access to the crypto live trading room, which is of huge value. Basically, we're posting stuff all throughout the trading day on every market that we follow. And as well, you get access to over 20 hours of online video tutorials that I've put together, and that's all just in the general site package, and that's basically like $30 a month. A couple other services that we offer, for people who just want to sort of get help with how their trading plan is set up. If they have specific questions, they need help with any of my indicators, you can book like an hour of my time anytime you want, for $30 an hour. Again, nice simple number, and I'll be more than happy to walk through anything that I'm doing and looking at in the market with you. We also have this PAM service that we're running right now. To be honest with you, I'm not overly impressed with this PAM service. The commissions are extremely high, and our account is very low. We funded it with like $200 just to get the thing active. We do have what we call our little old lady strategy working right now. Little old lady from Pasadena. We talk about it in the school and the videos and stuff quite a bit. Basically, we bought some coins in here, sold some coins up here, sold some coins up here. So our average selling price is here. We still have a bit of coins left on the books. And we're actually thinking about maybe going and buying those coins back. But nonetheless, the point here is that we do run the PAM service, sitting on a paltry gain here. For the year to date. Really, I'm not too concerned about this, considering there's only $200 account, and the commissions that they charge on this BTC are just crazy. So, if you're going to follow the PAM, understand that PAM has to trade off of these bigger time frame, right? This is a 6-hour chart here, or it's just not worth our while to take a trade there. But nonetheless, it is available, and you can follow what we're doing on a daily basis in the Bitcoin market with regards to how our little old lady from Pasadena is doing. Specifically, and I think this is a real big value that we have for this site, and we're really excited about it, is we have this thing called the School for Bitcoin Trader Development. And basically, it's a 3-month interactive program here, very intensive. I mean, I put you guys through the grind, 12 different modules that we cover. Every single week is different information. There's homework, there's in-class assignments. You get assigned a personal teacher's assistant who walks you through setting up one-on-one tutorials with me every week. Lots of value in this program. You're more than welcome to pull down this this PDF here that basically describes the program in detail. It's a 4-page PDF. And actually 5-page, sorry. And the last page, actually, we've included some testimonials of recent students that have taken the program, and wow, it reads really beautifully. So very, very happy with what that's doing. So you can find all that about up here. So those are our basic services: general site membership, tutorials. You know, I can do one-on-one teaching anytime you'd like, PAM trading service, and the School for Bitcoin Trader Development. So if we look at those individual services, you know, this is what our crypto live room looks like. And what I usually do for members is, of course, you know, I hop on first thing in the morning. And as you can see from the text box here, I mean, we're constantly posting really good trading information. Lots of really good interaction from all the different site members. We're a very interactive group. You know, you can see how many charts I'm spitting up here. Every day is very, very active. And the great part about this is you can actually access this archive of chats, right? And you can look at any day of the week and pull down every single chart and every single comment that was made. You know, like here, I posted a chart and I said, sure looks like the trend line was tested and failed. And, you know, you can just pull up the chart and sure enough, there's the trend line, there's the test, there's the fail, right? And indeed, we actually, this morning, we've crapped out down here. So, you know, these posts and the information are incredibly valuable. So that's something that is a huge value-added service for our site members. As well, I usually post updated videos. You can actually look at the playlist here. You can see last one was on the 19th, 15th, 10th, 8th, 3rd, 2nd. You know, I'm constantly posting member videos for members just to give you an idea, you know, through these kind of video formats, what I'm thinking about in the market. As well, you know, I have a specific page on here. Like we said, we have an archive of all the blog posts. And so Crypto Daily is just basically that blog post archive. And so you can basically go back and see every single trade that I'm doing, everything that I'm doing in the market at any given point in time. The last thing that I'll mention here is our School for Bitcoin Trader Development. That's up here. So we've looked at Crypto Live, Crypto Daily. We've been on the home page. The About page and the Getting Started page, they're just information about me and about the company and about how we go about trading Bitcoins. Oh, lots of free information and good links. And we, of course, we talked about the blog, the Crypto Daily. We've talked about Crypto Live, our live chat room. You know, here, this is the School for Bitcoin Trader Development, basically all our contact information. As I said, I'm very active teaching tutorials, so you can see on this calendar, I mean, my day is basically booked up with tutorials because basically everybody that joins the school, and you can learn about it in that document that I gave you the link to. Where was that? Right here. Everybody that joins the school, right, not only do you get 3 hours a week of in-class work, but you also get 1 hour of tutorial with me every week. So as you can see, students just book. And this is exactly what I want. You know, I want students to be booking tutorials and reviewing the information with me. We go through a number of different sort of recommended tools that we use, make sure that our students are all up to speed. You know, there are lots of different sort of little teaching tools that we have through the course. We have the course curriculum itself. You saw, you know, off of the front page, just that quick 5-page summary. This is basically that document in detail. It's about 20, 30 pages. Basically, the course itself is broken into two parts. The first part is what we call building the rational analyst, where we, understand, how we should be thinking strategically and what rational analysis is and the importance of risk management and treating this as a business. And then part two of the course, like I said, is 12 weeks long, so it's very, very intensive, 3 months. Part two of the course is what we call the candy store, where we go in and we basically look at all the specific tools that I use in the market on a daily basis, and every single week is a new different topic. As you can see, all the classes are posted for your, if you're a student in one of the programs. Right now we have 3 different programs running, and the classes, like I said, they're about 2 to 3 hours a piece, and all the links are posted for members here, so it's nice and easy reference for them. So really great value. I mean, the cost of this school for Bitcoin trader development right now is about $150 a month, which is just an absolute steal. I mean, industry standard for these kind of programs is around $2,000–3,000. So at $450, it's an absolute steal. And the reason why I've priced it so low is because what I want people who have basically want to learn how to trade to come in, park themselves in the program, and you do not leave until you've mastered this material. So if that means, like we started our program in July, and I have probably at least half of those students re-registered in the Q4 program that started in late October. I would imagine that a number of the students in both the July program, Q3, and the Q4 program, they're probably going to re-register for the Q1 2015 program. You should know, if you are watching this, reservation list is filling up. We're actually already starting to take reservations for the Q1 program that starts in late January. So that's like 2 months away, and people are already asking to put down deposits on the seats. So if you are interested in joining the school, you better get in touch with me quick, because these seats go very, very fast. Okay, last thing I'll maybe just mention, we'll just talk about some of the free services on the site. As I said, on the About page, you can just sort of get to know a little bit about me, why I'm in this Bitcoin, some of the resources and learning tools that I've used over the past, over the years. In the Getting Started page, basically I just review what you're going to actually need to be able to trade Bitcoins for profit, and as well, a whole bunch of handy information links that make our life easier on a day-to-day basis. And then the last thing I'll mention here, this is a free page. You're more than welcome to visit anytime you want. And this is just a listing of all the video tutorials that I've created over the past sort of year or two, that you are more than welcome to basically go and watch this information at your leisure and learn. Here are 2 setups that I actually trade with on the in the market on a daily basis. In fact, this double bottom 50% roll trade here is, crude oil. This is not even Bitcoin. This is crude oil, and yet we've got double bottom within double bottom. There's 50% level. Here's the trade. It's actually working. Here's our stop. Here's our target, and away we go. So ideally, by the end of this program, we'll give you the tools, right, to basically trade for the rest of your life. Right? You'll understand strategic. You'll understand rational analysis. And you'll understand what setups look like. And ideally, what I do through the school is, by the end of the program, every single student has their own custom design setups that meet the kind of person and the kind of investor that they are. All right, so that's basically a summary of the site. I just wanted to give you guys a quick review. That was about 5–10 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. And by all means, if you have any questions, you can always get a hold of me on the site. You can always email me at this Gmail address, or, as I've posted in the schoolroom, I don't really like to give out my site email address to non-school members. But if you really want to get a hold of me, there it is, b_beamish@TheRationalInvestor.co. All right, so everybody have yourself a great day. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and all the best. Bye for now.